In the 1930s, the Negishi Racecourse in Yokohama was an important and vibrant part of Japan's equestrian and social scene. As Japan's first Western-style horse racing track, it had already been established for several decades by this time. Having opened in 1866, the racecourse was a hub of activity, drawing both Japanese and Western expatriates. It was not only a place for horse racing, but also a venue for social gatherings, reflecting the cultural and social exchanges happening in Japan during the Meiji and Taisho eras. Negishi Horse Negishi Forest Park is a scenic park located in Yokohama, Japan. It was originally the site of the Negishi Racecourse, which was Japan's first Western-style horse racing track. Opened in 1866, the racecourse was a popular spot for Western residents and Japanese elites during the Meiji era. However, the racecourse was closed in 1942, and the site was later transformed into a park. The park today features expansive lawns, wooded areas, and a variety of recreational facilities. One notable feature is the statue of a relaxing horse, which commemorates the park's history as a racecourse. The statue, often referred to as the Negishi Horse, symbolizes the area's rich equestrian past and serves as a reminder of the cultural and historical significance of the site. Negishi Forest Park is a popular destination for locals and visitors, offering a peaceful environment for walking, picnicking, and enjoying nature. Its historical background adds an intriguing layer to the tranquil atmosphere, making it a unique spot in Yokohama. The park offers a tranquil setting with its expansive lawns. In addition to its historical elements, Negishi Forest Park also includes a children's park, making it a popular destination for families. The children's park area features playground equipment, open spaces for running and playing, and shaded areas where families can relax and enjoy picnics. This combination of historical landmarks and modern recreational facilities makes Negishi Horse an appealing spot for visitors of all ages. Wooded areas and scenic views, providing a peaceful escape from the urban environment of Yokohama. Whether you're interested in its history, looking for a place for children to play, or simply wanting to enjoy nature, Negishi Forest Park has something for everyone.
降りて。おお、上手。 待って待って。
じゃあ今度はあそこ。sama nanti aja. Nani 色がいいかな。とりあえず何色がいいかな。乗れるよ、頑張ってよ。乗れる、頑張って。あそこのロープは乗れるの。そこからでも行けるよ。あっちから見て。ここ登るんだよ。ここで登っても行けないよ。ここ登らない。うわ、大丈夫？
反対だった。
そう。
反対だった。
どこ行った？今落ちてるの大丈夫だったの？
全然気づいてなかった。
でもこの中から入れたじゃん、レアンズは。こんなでっかい穴から。すごい。これ6歳の子供だけできるやつ、レアンズ4歳でもできてるね。すごいな。登れるか？すごいやつあるね。あっちから行けるんだよ、滑り台は。行けるかい？頑張って生きてるよ。あともうちょっとで着くよ。 Sunday sa kasto? Tetap kalian kinabasi